Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn how to change the default welcome message in Magento 2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. You have to go to the content, then configurations, okay, the website, whatever the website is enabled, then you have to go to the here we have the settings header, we have the settings, right? So here we have the default welcome text, so you can change over here. Hello, you can change hello user, you can change whatever text you want to use, or you want to remove, then make it blank. Go to the cache management, flush this cache and check over here. Check now. Hello user, right? So this is how we are able to change the welcome message in Magento 2. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.